not the former things. Block the way where we are going. I clear the pathway of prosperity even now. I pray, God, when we tend to forget, remind us of where you have brought us from and where we are today. And God, even show us where we are heading. So God, if we ever feel as if you have failed us, remind us, because you are not a God that you fail. You are a never failing God. Even when things don't work out in our fleshly fashion, God, everything is spiritually right. We pray that we never grow spiritually dead. We pray, God, that our spiritual life